Good day, I'm Samantha Allen, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, February 20. The Jamaican economy grew by about 1.4% in the October to December quarter. Confirmation came from Director General of the Planning Institute of Jamaica PIOJ, Colin Bullock, at a press briefing on Thursday. Mr. Bullock outlined the sectors that contributed to growth.
Agriculture, forestry and fishing grew by an estimated 10%, reflecting the impact of improved weather conditions and the growth-inducing initiatives implemented by the government. Real value added for mining and quarrying grew by 12% due to increased output for both alumina and crude bauxite.
The services industry, the hotels and restaurant sector also grew by 5.6%, electricity and water supply by 1.1%, and transport, storage and communication by 1%. Producers of government services, however, declined by 0.5%. The increase in the various sectors was due to a number of factors, including a demand for exports in the bauxite, alumina and tourism sectors.
Increased construction-related activities including roadworks, residential and hotel construction. The impact of initiatives aimed at improving productivity and output in agriculture.
The economy's 1.4% expansion for the October to December period represents a second consecutive quarter of growth for Jamaica. The economy grew by about 1% in the July to September period. The Jamaica Agricultural Development Foundation has signed an $11 million grant agreement with the Japanese government to revitalize the West Indian Sea Island cotton industry. The three-year partnership will create 15,000 new jobs and earn close to $1 billion in foreign exchange. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Roger Clark says due to its superior quality, West Indian Sea Island cotton is one of the crops which gives the region its distinct competitive edge.
There's hardly any competition from other countries when it comes to producing this cotton. It doesn't spoil. You're able to add value to the primary product. It fetches a high price. In addition to all that, the JADF tells me that the return on investment on West Indian Sea Island cotton is somewhere in the region of 30%.
Plans are already at an advanced stage to grow 500 acres of cotton for the 2014-2015 crop in Clarendon, St. Mary and St. Catherine. Japanese Ambassador to Jamaica, His Excellency Yasuo Takase, welcomed the partnership and cited the high demand in Japan for this type of cotton.
Thus, revitalization of the West Indies Sea Island cotton production in Jamaica benefit both Jamaican farmers and Japanese industry.
Residents of Cassava Peace in St. Andrew now have access to a fully equipped computer center which was set up using $3 million from the Universal Service Fund. The Information Technology IT unit has been established at the Help Jamaica Education Center in the community. It's outfitted with 15 computers, broadband internet access, a server, printers and furniture. Technology Minister Philip Paulwell says this and other community access points set up across the island are part of a broad objective to promote learning through technology and provide avenues for income generation.
It is going to enable us with our innate abilities to use such information to generate wealth, to transform the way we live.
Government is moving to increase the country's pool of animators to meet the growing demand which exists globally. Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, is working with several local institutions such as the University of the West Indies, the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts and the Heart Trust NTA to train persons in animation.
We are getting the jobs, but we don't have enough animators to do the jobs. However, we understand that we can train animators anywhere between 3 to 6 months.
Recently, 43 persons graduated from the Animate Jamaica program conducted through collaboration with the UWI. They and others will be better equipped to tap into the industry, valued at more than $200 billion globally. And finally, a number of the island's drivers are to undergo training by City and Guilds, the International Vocational Education School. Executive Director of the Caribbean Maritime Institute, Dr. Fritz Pinnock, says a major project was signed with the training institution and the Heart Trust NTA to upgrade the skill level of drivers seeking employment overseas.
There's a shortage right now in the US alone of 1.2 million drivers.
1.2 million?
In Canada, almost 1 million.
Dr. Pinnock was a recent guest on JIS TV's Issues and Answers program. He pointed out that 30 Jamaican drivers recently left the island for work in Canada and said the plan was to increase this number. The drivers training course with City and Guilds will commence in a matter of weeks. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.